Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Cadillac Escalade. First, take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors for the best possible view. Get comfortable and ensure you can easily reach all controls. Next, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and the large infotainment screen. Finally, confirm that all passengers are securely buckled, and always check your surroundings for any obstacles before you begin your journey. Safety is always our top priority. To start your Escalade, firmly press the brake pedal and then push the engine start button. Once the engine is running, shift the transmission into drive. Depending on your model, this might be a column shifter or a button on the console. Now, gently press the accelerator pedal to begin moving forward smoothly. Remember to always maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles, typically about 3 seconds for optimal safety. The Escalade offers many advanced features to enhance your driving experience. For highway travel, engage the adaptive cruise control to maintain a set speed and distance. When parking, utilize the available 360-degree surround vision cameras for precise maneuvering in tight spaces. Explore the various drive modes, such as Sport or Tour, to optimize performance for different road conditions. Also, activate lane keeping assist for extra confidence on longer journeys. When you're ready to park, select a spot that comfortably accommodates the Escalade's generous dimensions. Utilize the rear camera and parking sensors to guide you into position accurately, avoiding any bumps or scrapes. Once parked, shift the transmission into park and engage the electronic parking brake for security. Finally, turn off the engine and confirm that all lights are extinguished before exiting the vehicle. You've successfully driven your Cadillac Escalade.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.